Philadelphia. That bridge right there, that's the Walt Whitman Bridge. Camden. Philadelphia Shipyard. Navy Shipyard right there. That's where the Eagles play. And the Phillies over there on the right. Actually, here's the shipyard right here. There's all the old ships. See them all? Battleships. It's a double-decker bridge. Old fort around here somewhere. That must be it here. Fort McHenry or something. Maybe that's it. Yeah, I think that's it there. Philadelphia Airport. Coming in hot. I miss Jamaica.